Gulfstream's new London Design Centre, the first such facility outside the United States, is a nearly 5,500 square foot building that offers customers the opportunity to design a bespoke aircraft alongside the center's knowledgeable team. Designed by Lehman Smith McLeish, LSM design firm, the studio features an on-site showroom filled with leather, veneer, fabric, and carpet options, all the items necessary to help customers visualize how their finished aircraft will look. Each element of the space streamlines the experience for the client, directing attention to a single aspect of the jet at a time, from cabin visualization to finish and accessory selection, says Debra Lehman Smith, founding partner of LSM Studio.